Hello, this is take 3. Welcome back, everyone. It's currently 11 at night. Procrastinated all day to get this video, but today we're going to be talking about the trades that I took today and why I took them, how I set them up. First, we're going to start on the Discord. Yesterday morning, I guess at 12 a.m., I was plotting on how I was going to approach the market. We had a volume imbalance here that I wanted to see price action around. I didn't care if it went up, I don't care if it went down. I just wanted to see a supporting thesis. Luckily, it rejected, and when I came into the morning, this is how I have marked out my chart. If you want to take a little picture of that or take a pause or whatever. And then after that, this was the trades that I took for the day. Once we started respecting this volume imbalance that I was marking overnight, I noticed that we were bearish coming into the morning, and we printed out this nice low at 5:30. Now, all I wanted to see was price either retrace to the SIBI and move lower all the way down to like this big fair value gap down here, or at least sweep this 1800 level. I was open to anything, but I'm always gonna at least plan for the low-hanging fruit target on this 15-minute trade, which would be this 1800 level. I noticed at 7:30 we rejected this 15-minute order block, and all I had to do really was zoom in here to the 1-minute chart, and everything else kind of spelled it out for me. 8 o'clock, I was looking at this and I was like, wow, we are just straight up manipulating. Not manipulating, but ranging. This is accumulation, guys. The 9:30 comes out and we manipulate into the sell side liquidity, this local draw of liquidity, and then after that, this is our displacement. So I actually took 2 trades here inside of all of this and basically played both sides of the manipulation and the expansion for today. And I just want to talk about how I kind of figured out how I could do that today and how you guys can probably find it at home a little bit easier. Really what the giveaway today for me was the 5-minute tell. So we had a 15-minute SIBI right above here, and we were respecting it very well. And I was looking at the 5-minute and I was like, okay, if I zoom into the 1-minute, that's literally up and down, up and down. ICT teaches this all the time. This is bread and butter accumulation, like manipulation, expansion, and that's all I had to identify. I was like, okay, so if we do to swing up in the morning and we create a fair value gap, I will take a short into the sell side liquidity. I'll take it as far as it wants to go. I don't care how far it goes, but I'll take it as far as it wants to go. Once we swept this local range low, though, we did get this green candle, so I didn't enter right away on the SIBI, but I did enter right after we delivered outside of the SIBI. It was a very short kill trade. It was 80 points. It happened in 3 minutes. It was beautiful. A lot of conviction here, but I knew what I was looking for, so it was really a fearless entry. I'm going to clean the chart up. I'm going to talk about how I took the long trade now. So as soon as we took the shorts and we delivered into the sell side, we got this huge green candle. Like I don't even think you guys understand. Like these candles were printing huge. From this sweep, 120 points in 3 minutes. Like that doesn't happen regularly. But this is the type of environment that I want to thrive in, because while other people are super scared about the RR, if you know exactly what you're looking for, you're not going to be scared on just trading your setup just size down. You don't have to swing for the hills. I traded three micros and made pretty good money on this today. So this was our low, this was our high, this was our lower low. So we already souped down here on the 1-minute chart, and after that we printed higher, market structure shift right here. And then the cherry on top for me, you guys know this, measure out that leg. We printed another high. This is our market structure shift. If we return into this 50%, this OTE of this price leg, and we get supported, the longs are in. So I'm not in as soon as it dips in, but if it's showing me candles that are indicating that we do want to move higher, I need to press that button or it's going to leave without me. It's literally within that time frame where you guys really got to lock in there. If you're in the zone and you know what you're looking for, you're not going to hesitate on your setup. This was a 130 point trade, basically ran straight to TP. Not really much more to it. You're using bread and butter concepts on higher volatility spreads. It doesn't matter where you are and how you do it, just trade within the parameters of your setup. Let that be a testament Over the last 2 days, we're up 1,300, a little less than 13. So, not even. Let me look at it. Yep, 51,230. So we're up about 1,200 bucks on the live right now. Gonna try to keep things rolling into tomorrow. Uh, Being slow, making sure I'm identifying and actually have a plan. Always want to show up with a plan. We planned for that yesterday in the pre-market, and we came in here this morning, and you know, we made that shit happen, guys. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Sorry for yapping, but I be yapping. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment here. I'd love to answer them. We'll be opening the Discord soon, so stay tuned for that. You guys have a great night. I'll see you guys later. Peace.